Well, hi, I'm Dr. Craig Woods. I'm a veterinarian and a clinical practitioner. As a pet owner, you have a responsibility to keep your pet safe and healthy. And one of those measures is to keep them contained, out of the street, out of somebody else's yard, really out of danger. So when it comes to pet containment, there are a variety of options for the pet owner, ranging from physical fences to crates and kennels to ties and tethers, all the way up to optimal choices like electronic fences, such as the Invisible Fence brand. Crates are one option for the pet owner, and they're actually convenient, but unfortunately, if they're used full time, they're not very ideal. And there's a couple of reasons for that. One, the dog is confined all day long, and that can lead to behavioral issues and also obesity because they're not getting any physical activity. Another option is the physical fence, and these are very popular methods, but they can also be very expensive as well. But also, they have some downsides. The fences can be left open, but also if they try to go over or dig under the fence, it can cause physical injury to the animal. Ties and tethers are another option as well. These really are not ideal methods. There's a couple of reasons for that. One, the actual rope itself can cause harm or injury to the dog if it gets around the neck or gets around the limb. The other is the dog actually is confined. It can't get away. So there's some other things that can represent hazards there. Water, fire, ants, wasps, bees, things like that. If the dog is tied up, it does not have the ability to get away from any type of danger that would represent itself. Hands down, the optimal choice for pet containment is going to be using an electronic fence like the Invisible Fence brand. And there's a couple of reasons for this. These are very adaptable systems. They're aesthetically pleasing, so they're not like a physical fence. You can't even see them. They work all the time. They can be adapted to any terrain. They can actually accommodate multi-dog, multi-cat households, so you can create specific pet zones for those animals, and they work all the time. The other is they allow the dog to get out, to roam around, and that obviously increases the physical activity and certainly contributes to the overall well-being and health of the animal.